Good evening, junkies. Welcome to EminiJunkie.com, your ES Trading Mentor's free trading video for Wednesday, September 8th, 2010. Today we had a total of 3 executable trade signals for a max potential of -1 ES tick. This video is for educational purposes only, is intended to highlight our high probability trade setups, give you a feel for the quantity of trades taken each trading day using this approach. A full trading plan, daily live trading room can be accessed from our website at EminiJunkie.com. Okay, we started off this morning and we came right into a setup that was a short from the earlier pre-market action, and that setup actually pulled back, took some heat, came down. It hit target 1 3 times, so there were some people that got filled, but the majority of the folks in our room did not get filled, so I'm going to count that as a T0 minus 14. And during that trade we had a signal long that came back before the signal was stopped out. So I'm just going to show it as a T2. I'm not counting it as a total video on our ticks. There are some people in the room that took this trade. In fact, they took what we call a second chance opportunity around at 952 over here as it came back to the moving average. So depending how you played it, if you took the first available trade and you did not get filled on your T1, you got a full stop out, T0 minus 14, and chances are you didn't get into the second trade, so I'm not going to count any points on that second setup. However, if you don't trade in the first few minutes of the market, you actually got a second signal to get long, and that did produce targets 1 and targets 2 to the upside. So anyway, that does not count in our trade total because we're going to assume you were in this initial trade and got a full stop out. T0 minus 14 on the first trade. And as you know, the market made a slow grind higher all morning long. We put in our highs we put them in right during lunchtime, but there was no opportunity. All these pullbacks are what we were called little micro entries. Nothing to re-signal an entry for us, so we didn't have any further opportunities in the morning. Between 11:30 and 1:15, we just kind of waited for lunch to get over, and after 1:15, we started looking for a trade setup again. We actually had a signal to get short. That produced targets 1 and targets 2 to the downside as the market made a quick push down, went down and retested the Globex high area. It's kind of traded a little bit sideways there before ultimately coming back up through the moving average on a fast move extension entry, and that did produce targets 1 and targets 2 to the upside for 7 ticks right at the 2:30 reversal time. So basically we're just going to look at those 3 trades. Total -1 ES tick. I want to thank you for watching. For more details on this plan, including all the chart setups, or to join our live trading room video newsletter, please visit EminiJunkie.com or simply click the link at the top of the screen. Remember, tomorrow is rollover day. We're going to stay on the U contract for tomorrow, and we'll evaluate the volume as it goes into Friday, but we will be rolling contracts over to the Z contract, ESZ0. So anyway, thanks, and make it a great day.